sixth man to walk on the moon testified to alien contact. In the last couple of years, the number of astronauts, scientists, military officials and government representatives who have come forward openly speaking about alien life is staggering. We are not alone in the universe. They have been coming here for a long time. Edgar Mitchell. One of them is Dr. Edgar Mitchell, the sixth man who walked on the surface of our moon. The former Navy captain and author, who had a Bachelor of Science from Carnegie Mellon University, a postgraduate science degree from the U.S. Naval School and Doctor of Science in Aeronautics and Astronautics from MIT made fascinating comments about extraterrestrial life. Mitchell was the founder of the Institute of Noetic Sciences and the co-founder of the Association of Space Explorers, meaning that he was surrounded by people with valuable information. During the series documentary created by Dr. Stephen Greer from the Disclosure Project, Dr. Mitchell gave some very interesting comments, highlighting the reality of the alien phenomenon and technological implications surrounding the phenomenon. Not only has Dr. Mitchell spoken out about alien life forms and UFO, but he also testified to the existence of the phenomenon, which has become a crucial part of society. In 1971, Dr. Mitchell said, "We all know UFOs are real, all we need to ask is where do they come from and what do they want?" In numerous occasions Dr. Edgar Mitchell was quoted saying, "Yes, there have been ET visitations. There have been crashed craft. There have been material and bodies recovered. There has been a certain amount of reverse engineering that has allowed some of these craft, or some components, to be duplicated. And there is some group of people that may or may not be associated with government at this point that have this knowledge. They have been attempting to conceal this knowledge. People in high-level government have very little, if any, valid information about this. It has been the subject of disinformation in order to deflect attention and create confusion so the truth doesn't come out. Read the books, read the lore, and start to understand what has really been going on here, because there is no doubt that we are being visited. I happen to be privileged enough to be in on the fact that we have been visited on this planet, and the UFO phenomenon is real. So when I learned that aliens really do exist, I wasn't too surprised. But what did shock me when I started investigating extraterrestrial reports a decade ago is the extent to which the proof has been hushed up. It isn't just the U.S. government which has kept quiet about alien visits. It would be arrogant of an American like myself to assume that ETs would only choose to visit my country. Indeed, I've heard convincing stories about governments all over the world that know of alien visits, including the British government.